You need to wait until the end to see what's in here. Morning. If your stomach is looking and feeling puffy this morning, then this tasty drink that I have for you will help you lose that puffiness and excess belly fat. Listen, I need to get ready for work soon, so let's get into it. No judgment here if you start your day with coffee, tea, soda, or juice. I'm not here to tell you not to do that. However, if you're wanting to be able to look down and have a clear view of your toes, then before you have your cup of joe, prepare yourself a cup of my morning go-to drink. I love this drink for so many reasons. First, it makes me feel alert and energized. Gets rid of water retention, something that I've noticed here and there from time to time. On the days I'm rushing around and I forget to make this drink, I notice that I have a few more sugar cravings than normal. But what I really love about this drink is that it helps to de-bloat me. Did you know that our bellies accumulate air while we're sleeping, giving us a puffy belly when we wake up? And if we ate too much too late the night before and you feel that heaviness in your stomach when you get up, then this drink will definitely help you to digest that food, that yesterday's food, a lot faster. Here is what you're going to need. You're going to want 2 cups of warm room temperature water. Warm or room temperature water is best when you first wake up because it's very gentle to the body and the digestive tract. I find actually that having cold water first thing in the morning is much too harsh. Cold water makes my stomach get really tight and constricted to the point of discomfort. That's not really how I'm trying to start my day. Next, you're going to need 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. You already know the benefits of lemons. They're high in vitamin C, has bioflavonoids, which fights infection, helps reduce allergy symptoms, and we are right at the start of the stuffy nose, itchy eye, sneezing season, so this drink is just in time. Next, we're going to add a small piece, about 1 teaspoonful of jaggery. Jaggery comes like this, in solid chunks. Cut off the portion that you want. I know most people use honey, but jaggery, with its subtle, slightly sweet essence, has a bit of healthy plant-based protein, fiber. It helps promote bowel movement because it has a good amount of iron, magnesium, and potassium in it. And it stimulates our natural digestive enzymes. You can find jaggery at your local Indian store or online. I will leave a link for it in the description below for you. What you want to do is combine all 3 of those together until the jaggery has dissolved. Please resist the urge of adding more jaggery. This drink is not meant to be sweet. Too much jaggery will rob you of that energetic feeling that we're going for and the ability to look down and see your toes. Have this drink on an empty stomach. Wait at least 10 to 15 minutes before eating a good breakfast like Meghan Markle's favorite oatmeal recipe. Bye.